Somebody hear me. There is mindset I want to correct here. You that is looking at me. There is a mindset I want to correct. Minus husband and wife. Minus couple. Minus people that are married. Hear me. If you have made it an attitude, something remarkable, that whenever you are in personal need, you call somebody on food, you can't prosper. Some of you that are borrowing money to go and pay for house rent. Some of you that are borrowing money to go and buy phone, borrowing money to buy clothes, borrowing money to pay school fees, borrowing money to pay hospital bill. Hear me, you can never succeed. The highest thing you can do for yourself and investing, when you want to borrow money to invest. Any money you borrow to solve problem, you are increasing that problem. That is true. Am I making sense to people? Yes, sir. But it's hard for business to believe. Very hard. Nobody plans. I must do it. I have 1 month plan of my life. I have 1 year plan of my life. I have 2, 3, 4, 10. Let me tell you something. Do you know that my kids, they are going to go to university? And now people that have paid for entering of university, I have asked them, how much did it cost your child to enter university? How much did it cost your child to enter university? How much did it cost your child to enter UNN? They are telling me that I'm writing it down. Now I have counted the ages of my kids now. Some of them are going to enter university in the next 5 years. Some are going to enter in the next 4 years. Some are going to enter in the next 30 years. Now I have divided the expenses times 2. Because things are rising in Nigeria. If somebody can enter university now with the cost of 600,000, by then it might be 1.2. Why can't you divide it and begin to work for it now? Must you wait until that time? Everything in Nigeria. I have lived abroad. And I noticed that white men, they think that made white men better than us. It's because they plan for their future. Oh no, Jamuni. The girl is being paid. The girl now is secretary in office. Pay as you go. Every day she comes to office because we are 3 months there. She will go with $100. Before the girl will go, the girl will bring out $50. Open the $50. For my voucher, will get $50. So the girl was able to be saving $50. By the time I left China, she had opened a company of her own. Some of us may reach before they go on a mess with her, told you no more. Can I use myself for example? I went to the market to buy clothes. Can I go see that? I was thinking, last time I go to consider when I go see that, 250. I say, get the same, can be at 450. No, it wasn't a year. Jesus Christ of Nazareth of you 2005 a year. And to you see, I say 1 year, I say 5 years. I said, no, 2005. You see, a year. Yeah, 2 years, 5,000. Now, you want to work for 4 years, 10,000. I want to make it out. Tell her now 5,000, 15,000. I'm going to 15,000 now. I'm not this at the moment. There are people that will do it to impress nonsense. There are people that can do it to impress nobody. That can be the and the thing that they are doing it to be recognized. Clothes cannot make it to be recognized. But your good result can announce you. After putting on all these clothes, wearing the expensive things, carrying iPhone, who knows you and what are you doing? What impact are you making to society? Not all. One and I think a big man because I dress more. But some of guys in our boss on Siamba. None I get like a second one. I came bomb. Say, what the one in my balance 2,000. What they talk 6,000. They go for one with their mouth. They change you. There's somebody here. Only they 100,000 account. Get you 120,000. Chief work in 4 months time. Chief work in 5 months time. you can receive a call. Now, money or your mother, now I got 10,000 deposit, no. Because if I asked one girl who was using iPhone, I looked at the girl phone and I saw iPhone. But before I asked that girl question, I asked her, so, baby, what are you doing? She said, nothing, no, nothing, just marketing online. You see, how many items are you able to sell online in a day? She said, am I talking of a day? No, talk of a week or a month. At times in a week I will say one. At times in a week I will say two. You see, what is the game? He said 1,000, 2,000, just. But anytime I'm going to sell 5, at least I get 10,000 in a day, in a week. I said, okay, in a month, can you tell me how much you are making in a month? She said she can make minimum of 50,000 or 100K in a month. 100K in a month. She said, how are you living? Are you living with somebody? She said, yes. She is still living with the auntie. Which means we want to die living with the auntie. The TV in that auntie's house is what you are going to carry if you are in. I mean, the phone there, you are not going to buy phone. So you are not going to pay for prepaid meter. And a man called you who wants to marry you and ask you, what do you want on the day of your birthday? He said, I want iPhone 11 Pro Max. 400,000. Men knows how to spoil whom they want to spoil. I understand that thing. When they spoil you, they will go for the girl that is innocent, that is sent. Why you have not okay? Who come na GA will not marry you? Because in marriage, every man wants a woman that will save his pocket. If you don't know this one, what can you ever give to he's a caring man. He gives me whatever that I want. I'm not going to lose that relationship. I'm giving you scope. Because I wouldn't be a party to go and marry a woman that will come to my house. I'm using Nokia Touch, you are using Pro. Which means if I'm driving Jeep V6, you tell me you want to drive G-Wagon V12. Some of you have that mentality, that mindset. That when a man is giving you too much money, it simply means that man loves you. It's a lie. He wants to impress you so that you cannot compare it to any man, so that he can control you with that money, whatever he wants, and have his way without saying, I need. What do you know? The relationship. And I'm teaching you now, you can't take it. Because you refuse to take responsibility. I'm telling you, exposing it now, you will not like me. Because I'm talking against your mindset. Mindset is a deadly disease that has made many. It blindfolded some people's eyes. That even when you are telling them, it takes a man of experience to give somebody an idea, to give somebody correction, to advise somebody. Jesus Christ told us, occupy till I come. The day I read it in the Bible, that was the day I know there is no place safe. The only place safe is where you are. Never hear that she taking responsibility. And people are messing up. Praise, praise, praise Master Jesus. Hallelujah. If that business you are doing is not moving well, ask questions. Why is it business not moving? Now listen to me. There was a time a man was telling a young boy that if you want to do business, get a good site. Somebody help me. I now travel to Port Harcourt. And this man that was talking to a young man was a man that resides in Lagos. When you come to Lagos, people that are selling babies, they have lines. People that are selling ladies' wear, they have lines. They have market. People that are selling drugs, they do stay at that shop and just street. And this man was telling the young man, the quickest way to make money, if you want to start, is get a good site, location. I came to Port Harcourt. I wanted to buy generator, type. Mom, I passed my number. I called my friend, please. Where are they selling generators? Electronics market here. No. If you don't work out for street, you checking shops. There's no place in Port Harcourt where you will come and you see a line. Just one full street where they are selling electronics. It's a line. You only want to go away. I asked the man, and they said, we began to move around. If we went to Old Stadium Road, we met only one man that is selling generator there. The other person is selling paint. The other person is selling roof. The other person is selling chemical. The other person is selling coupon. The other person is selling CD. I said, what? And they are making sense. Mentality of another zone cannot be mentality of another area. Territory difference. I said, what? The richest man, or one of the richest men, no,